for today's video, we are comparing ManyChat and Respond.io. So ManyChat is popular for building social media chatbots, while Respond.io focuses on multi-channel messaging and also team collaboration. So let's dive in to see which one fits your business needs best. And remember, you can sign up for a free account in ManyChat with the link that I have in the description down below. So here's a quick overview of each platform's core focus. So for ManyChat, this specializes in chatbot automation for social media platforms like Messenger or Instagram and also WhatsApp. Known for its simplicity, perfect for small businesses and also e-commerce. Now for the Respond.io, this is for a multi-channel messaging platform with CRM features. So it is designed for handling customers' interactions across channels like WhatsApp, SMS, email, and more. So this is ideal support for teams and businesses managing high volumes of customer messages. Now let's look at how easy these platforms are to use. So for ManyChat, the simple drag and drop bot builder intuitive or simple drag and drop button builder is very helpful and very easy, and it has a intuitive interface for beginners. Now for the Respond.io, has a clean interface but can feel complex with the multi-channel and team management features, offers a streamlined approach for managing multiple channels in one inbox. So now if you're new to chatbots, ManyChat simplicity makes it very easy to set up, and the Respond.io is manageable but has a steeper learning curve, especially if you are looking for or to manage multiple agents and channels. Let's break down the features. So ManyChat focus on building chatbots for Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. So this is a simple automation for our Instagram account that I have set up. So it is great for automating social media interactions while also capturing leads. And it integrates well with e-commerce platforms. Now for the Respond.io. It has a unified inbox for multiple channels, making it easy to handle customer support. So I have here, this is my inbox, and I haven't yet had any some conversation in between my different social media accounts. But if you have different social media accounts that you have connected right here, then you'll be able to see those in this section. So you can also categorize your messages in different leads. So you have new lead, hot lead, payment customer, and so on. So it also has built-in CRM capabilities ideal for managing customer data and interaction history. And it has advanced team collaboration features for assigning conversations and tracking agent performance. So now, ManyChat is best if your goal is social media engagement, and Respond.io is more versatile for a multi-channel support and team collaborations. So pricing also plays a big role in deciding the platform. So for ManyChat, it has free plans, as you can see right here, or free plan for basic chatbot features, and the paid plans start at around $15 per month per user for advanced features. And for the Respond.io, it does not really have, or it actually doesn't have a free plan. So the pricing starts higher and often geared towards businesses managing multiple agents and channels. So the pricing scales based on user needs with options for customer support teams. So now let's wrap up with a quick list of pros and cons for each tool. So for ManyChat, the pros of it is its easy to use interface, and it is also budget friendly, and it is great for social media and e-commerce integrations. While the cons of it has limited multi-channel messaging, which is not ideal for support teams managing high message volumes. Now for the pros of Respond.io, it has a unified inbox, as I said earlier, for multiple channels, excellent for team collaboration and customer support, and it has a built-in CRM features for tracking customer interactions. While the cons of it has no free plan and higher starting cost, and it is slightly complex for new users managing multiple channels. So now if you're looking for a more simple chatbot solution for social media, ManyChat is the way to go. For businesses needing multi-channel support with team collaboration features, Respond.io might be the better choice for you. And remember, you can try ManyChat for free with the link below to see if it fits with your needs. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.